Welcome to this video on how to write an effective abstract for your PhD dissertation. If you're in the process of writing your PhD dissertation, you probably know that the abstract is one of the most important parts of your dissertation. The abstract is a brief summary of your research work, and it is often the first thing that readers will see. So it is important to make sure that it is well written and effectively conveys your research findings. In this video, we will discuss some tips and tricks to help you write an effective abstract for your PhD dissertation. Tip #1. Start with a clear and concise statement of the research problem. The first thing you should do when writing your abstract is to start with a clear and concise statement of the research problem. This should be a sentence or two that succinctly summarizes the main research question or problem that your dissertation addresses. It should be clear, concise, and to the point. Remember that the purpose of the abstract is to provide a quick overview. Tip #2. Describe your research methods and approach. After stating the research problem, you should describe the research methods and approach that you used to answer the research question. This should include a brief overview of your research design, the data collection and analysis methods you used, and any statistical techniques that you employed. It is important to give readers a sense of how you approached your research and what methods you used to analyze your data. Tip #3. Summarize your key findings and contributions. This should be a brief summary of the most important results of your research and the main contributions that your work makes to the field. You should focus on the most significant findings and contributions and try to highlight why they are important and what they add to the existing body of knowledge. Tip #4. Write in clear and concise language. Throughout your abstract, it is important to write in clear and concise language. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that might be unfamiliar to readers who are not experts in your field. Instead, try to use simple and straightforward language that is easy to understand. Keep in mind that the abstract is often the first thing that readers will see, so you want to make a good impression. Tip #5. Edit and revise your abstract. Finally, make sure to edit and revise your abstract. Once you have written your first draft, go back and read it carefully. Look for any spelling or grammatical errors and make sure that your ideas are presented in a logical and coherent manner. Ask a colleague or advisor to review your abstract and provide feedback. You may need to make several revisions before you are satisfied with your final draft. Writing an effective abstract for your PhD dissertation can be challenging. But by following these tips and tricks, you can write an abstract that effectively summarizes your research and captures the attention of readers. With these strategies in mind, you can write an abstract that effectively conveys the significance and impact of your research. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you want to learn how to write a dissertation within 6 months.